One of the brightest days of the year, a light is shining on mental health awareness for Valley families.
For the 10th year in a row, the Climb Out of the Darkness event will be held in Phoenix.
Team 12's Jen Wahl is live from Encanto Park this morning where that walk is going to be held. Jen, what is this event all about?
Yeah, good morning to you. So anyone is welcome to come out here to the park on Saturday at 8:30 a.m. You can walk alongside families who are going through postpartum depression and other perinatal mood and anxiety disorders. We talked with a Valley mom who survived postpartum psychosis and is still dealing with PTSD from it today after having 2 children. This event meaning a lot to her.
About 5 days after Heather Gonzalez's first daughter was born, she realized something was wrong.
And I started to have a kind of out-of-body delusion, hallucination, in which I was in a coma.
Gonzalez says her husband rushed in to help.
I handed him the baby and then I started jumping up and down saying, I don't want to die, I don't want to die, trying to wake myself out of the coma. And so he saw that and had no idea what was going on.
The next morning, she was checked into a hospital where she would spend several traumatic weeks without her newborn daughter.
When I was in the hospital, I slept about 20 minutes a night for almost 30 days. So now when I can't sleep, I become very, very anxious and have panic attacks.
A team of people, therapies, and medicine helping Gonzalez survive and recover from postpartum psychosis.
Kind of hard to look back and describe how I felt because I was so lost in the psychosis. Every minute of every day was something that wasn't true.
Caitlin Skeens is a Postpartum Support International board member and mental health therapist. She says there needs to be more resources for families in Arizona.
There's so few providers who specialize in treating perinatal mood and anxiety disorders, and just getting the help is extremely important, but really the right help.
Skeens says PSI is working hard to train other industry professionals in caring for people with perinatal mood and anxiety disorders. And Saturday, the organization welcomes Gonzalez to share her story at the Climb, Walk, and Fundraiser.
I will be speaking. I get to have both my daughters up there to talk about my experience with postpartum psychosis.
A story of how she climbed out of her own dark experience. Today, now raising her 6-year-old daughter Shiloh and 9-month-old daughter Vita with her husband.
So Saturday's awareness event is free and it starts right here at 8:30 a.m. at Encanto Park. All of the information on your screen right now. And experts say signs of these disorders can show up anytime during pregnancy through 1 year postpartum. They can look like anxiety, depression, OCD, and so much more. So if you or someone you know is experiencing that, you can go to PSI's online directory and they have qualified professionals there that have lists that can help you. You can also check in with your healthcare provider to get a referral. For Number Live in Phoenix, Jen Wahl, Today in AZ.